Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study for ACT reading. First, familiarize yourself with the test format, which includes 40 questions across 4 distinct passages. You will have 35 minutes to complete this section, averaging about 8 minutes and 45 seconds per passage. Focus on understanding the main idea and supporting details. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building an effective study plan. To truly master ACT reading, active engagement with the text is essential. Don't just passively read. Instead, interact with the material. Highlight important names, dates, and concepts. After each paragraph, quickly summarize its core message in your own words. This technique helps you retain information and quickly locate answers, saving valuable time during the exam. The ACT reading section features 6 primary question types, such as main idea, detail, inference, and comparison questions. For every question, carefully read all 4 answer choices before selecting one. Eliminate obviously wrong options first. Crucially, always return to the passage to find direct evidence supporting your answer. This verification step significantly boosts accuracy and confidence. Consistent practice is key to improving your ACT reading score. Take at least 3 to 5 full-length practice tests to simulate exam conditions. After each test, meticulously review every question, especially those you answered incorrectly. Understand why the correct answer is right and why your chosen answer was wrong. This detailed review process is invaluable for learning from your mistakes and refining your strategies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.